Okay, let's get started. So here we have a radical expression, and it tells us that x is greater than 0. Which of the following is equivalent? So one strategy that I encourage my students to use when they see variables in the problem and variables in the answer is to do a method called back solving, which is to choose a value that satisfies any conditions, which in this case, we're given a condition that x has to be greater than 0. Okay. So in this case, let's try x equals 1. All right. Now, because we're looking for an equivalent expression, x equals 1 when plugged into the original expression, which is 9x squared. So if I was to plug 1 in, I would get 9 times 1 squared, which is the square root of 9, which is 3. Now that should be the same output value as if I were to plug that same x value into the answer choices. So right off the top, I can see that C and D are not options, because if we were to plug 1 into those, we would not get 3. Now, in this case, if we were to plug 1 into A or B, we would both get the value of 3. So far, A and B work for the values x equals 1. Now we're trying to see if that works for all x values greater than 0. So let's try x equals 2. So if we were to plug that into the square root of 9x squared, we would get the square root of 9 times 4. Order of operations, we have to square first, which gives us the square root of 36, which is 6. Okay, so now we're looking for, when we plug that x value of 2 into our answer choices, so in this case, our answer choice A is 3x, and our answer choice B is 3x squared. When I plug that x value of 2 in, I'm going to get 6 for A, and I'm going to get 12 for B. So the only one where they match is answer choice A. Another way we could approach this question, an alternate solution, with the square root of 9x squared. If you can notice that both of these are perfect squares. A perfect square is defined as a number that is a result of the same number being multiplied by itself. So for example, the square roots, we can break this up into the square root of 9 times the square root of x squared. Square root of 9 is 3. And the square root of x squared is x, which is also answer choice A. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this solution, or if you solved this one in a different way, please be sure to put them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.